Welcome to the Mastering Social Media Management course, where we will take you on a step-by-step journey to become an expert in managing and optimizing social media platforms for maximum impact. In this comprehensive course, we will cover everything from audience research to content creation, scheduling, analytics, and engagement strategies. Let's dive into the modules and unlock the secrets of successful social media management.
We covers Module 1, Understanding the Fundamentals of Social Media Management, Introduction to Social Media Platforms and Their Importance in Digital Marketing. Setting goals and objectives for your social media strategy. Conducting audience research and identifying target demographics. Conducting audience research and identifying target demographics. Can you brief, please? Well, conduct audience research to gain insights into your target demographics, their preferences, behaviors, and needs, allowing you to create targeted and relevant marketing strategies that resonate with your ideal audience and drive meaningful engagement and conversions. Module 2, Creating a Compelling Social Media Strategy, Developing a comprehensive social media strategy aligned with your business goals. Defining your brand voice, visual identity, and content themes. Crafting engaging and shareable content that resonates with your target audience. How to crafting engaging and shareable content that resonates with your target audience? Can you brief it? Craft compelling and shareable content by understanding your target audience's interests, pain points, and motivations. Tailor your messaging, storytelling, and visuals to evoke emotions, provide value, and create a connection that resonates, encouraging audience engagement and social sharing. Module 3, Implementing effective content creation and scheduling, creating impactful visual and written content for various social media platforms. Utilizing content creation tools and resources to streamline your workflow. Developing a content calendar and scheduling posts for optimal engagement. Module 4, Understanding Social Media Analytics and Insights, exploring social media analytics tools to track and measure performance. Interpreting key metrics and using data-driven insights to refine your strategy. Identifying trends, patterns, and opportunities for growth. Module 5, Engaging with your audience and building a community, implementing strategies to foster meaningful interactions with your audience. Responding to comments, messages, and feedback in a timely and authentic manner. Collaborating with influencers and leveraging user-generated content to increase engagement. Module 6, Paid advertising and social media competence, understanding the basics of social media advertising and paid campaigns. Creating effective ad campaigns that target specific audience segments. Optimizing ad performance and measuring ROI. How to optimizing ad performance and measuring ROI? Can you brief? Yeah, sure. To optimize ad performance and measure ROI, continuously analyze and adjust your ad targeting, creative elements, and bidding strategies based on data-driven insights and track key metrics such as conversion rate and cost per acquisition. Module 7, Social Media Crisis Management and Reputation Building, developing strategies to handle social media crises and negative feedback. Building a positive brand reputation through proactive online reputation management. Implementing strategies to mitigate risks and maintain brand integrity. By completing the Mastering Social Media Management course, you will have the knowledge and skills to successfully navigate the dynamic world of social media. From strategy development to content creation, engagement, and analytics, you'll be equipped with the tools necessary to build a strong online presence, connect with your audience, and achieve your marketing objectives. Enroll now and unlock the power of social media management. How will this course equip you with the necessary tools to build a strong online presence, effectively connect with your target audience, and successfully achieve your marketing objectives? This course will provide you with the essential tools, strategies, and knowledge to establish a robust online presence, effectively engage with your target audience, and successfully achieve your marketing objectives, empowering you to drive growth and achieve success in the digital landscape. Can you tell me a little information about tools? Yes, sure. Content Management System, CMS, for managing and publishing website content effectively. Social Media Management Tools, to schedule, monitor, and analyze social media posts across multiple platforms. Email marketing software, for creating and automating email campaigns to nurture leads and engage with subscribers. Analytics tools, to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. SEO tools, for optimizing your website's visibility in search engines and improving organic rankings. Design software, to create visually appealing graphics and promotional materials. Customer relationship management (CRM) software, to manage and track customer interactions, leads, and sales. A/B testing tools, for experimenting with different versions of your website or marketing campaigns to improve performance. Project management tools, to stay organized, collaborate with team members, and track progress on marketing projects. Communication and collaboration tools, for seamless communication, file sharing, and teamwork among team members and clients. These tools are essential for streamlining your marketing efforts, enhancing productivity, and achieving your marketing objectives effectively. I hope you're satisfied about my course training. If have any query, kindly share query in comment section.